Hi friends, once again welcome back to my another video. I really hope that you are fine and good. In this video, welcome back to our Christmas crochet world, where every strand of yarn carries warmth, creativity and holiday joy. Today we are crafting cozy handmade pieces that turn your home into a winter wonderland. We will start by crocheting some soft Christmas tree ornaments, tiny angels with delicate wings, mini wreaths wrapped in ribbon, and sparkling snowflake motifs made with metallic thread. Next, we will create festive home decor like crochet candle cozies, giving your candles a warm, rustic look, and charming table runners that add elegance to holiday dinners. We will also work on crochet gift toppers, little bows, stars, and holly leaves that make every present feel extra special and handmade. And for those who love cute characters, we are making Christmas amigurumi, cuddly gingerbread dolls, reindeer with tiny embroidered faces, and little Santa hats you can place anywhere for a touch of warm charm. Crochet crafts bring calm into the busy holiday season, letting you slow down stitch by stitch and create pieces filled with love. So grab your hook, relax, and let's crochet the Christmas spirit into every corner of your home. These are very pretty and very elegant crochet Christmas craft ideas. We will try it at home. Today we are wrapping ourselves in the peaceful rhythm of Christmas crochet, turning simple yarn into heartwarming holiday creations. We will begin with delicate crochet snow garlands made from tiny stars, soft circles, and wintry motifs that look beautiful draped across walls or windows. Then we will crochet charming Christmas tree decorations like textured baubles, tiny stockings, and little presents tied with yarn bows. Next, we will move to cozy home essence, fluffy crochet pillows with festive patterns, mini tree skirts, and vintage style dollies perfect for holiday displays. We will also create handmade gift ideas such as crochet mug cozies, bookmarks, and little pouches for chocolates or jewelry. Thoughtful gifts that carry the love of handmade work, and for a touch of Christmas magic, we will craft adorable amigurumi friendly snowmen, tiny elves, baby penguins, and classic Santa figures that bring smiles to everyone. With each stitch, you are not just making decor, you are creating memories, warmth, and a personal touch that fills your home with the true spirit of Christmas. So grab your yarn, cozy up, and let the magic of crochet guide your hands this holiday season. So guys, I really hope that you will love all the ideas, all the crochet little cute cozy ornaments. You will love it. So if you have any request, or if you have any request, please let me know in comment section. I will read your comments and make video for you that you want to see. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you are my new viewer, if you will not subscribe my channel, so quick subscribe, like, and share. So thank you so much guys, take care of yourself. Remember, in your prayers, God bless you. Love you all. I really hope that you really enjoying this video. So bye bye, take care of yourself, remember me in your prayers, have a beautiful wonderful days with your family and friends.